Hello, welcome to the 8th topic in the JSS1 scheme of work. That is the topic in our week 9. The topic is counted in base 2. As part of this topic, we will learn the definition of number base. We'll learn counting in groups of 10, counting in groups of 2, expanding numbers by the power of their bases, conversion of numbers in base 10 to base 2, conversion of numbers in base 2 to base 10, conversion of numbers in other bases to base 2. And then at the end, we will learn a math hack on how we can convert from bases like base 4 and base 8 directly to base 2. By the end of this topic, you will be able to do so many other problems on these itemized objectives. Thank you.